Nike continues to build momentum around the Kobe footwear legacy with the upcoming safety orange Offcourt Slide, expected to drop in mid-July during WNBA All-Star Weekend. While official release details remain unconfirmed, this vibrant pair is anticipated to launch alongside the Kobe 6 Protro in the same striking hue, part of a broader collection honoring women's basketball. Echoing recent Kobe Offcourt designs, the Slide features a molded snakeskin-textured strap across the forefoot, bathed in vivid safety orange and accented with a crisp metallic silver Kobe sheath logo. The bold shade continues across the cushion footbed and sole, maintaining a sleek, tonal aesthetic that's both simple and attention-grabbing. This latest addition further enhances the lifestyle offerings of the Kobe brand while aligning perfectly with Nike's celebration of the women's game. The safety orange Offcourt Slide balances performance heritage with Offcourt flair, making it a standout in the growing Kobe footwear catalog.